and it is snowing so hard. Like, I don't know what to do. I'm like trying to retrace my steps. I'm fucking freezing. So cold.
Stanley wants my toast.
Yay! It looks so good. Just some morning maintenance. Are we out?
Yep.
Hi! So, we just ran out of power. We just ran out of gas. Propane. We just ran out of propane. So, we're doing a little run real quick because we tried to cook breakfast and we were like, uh-oh. And then we're gonna go start our day. I'm gonna go foraging. Look for some things that would look nice on our Christmas wreath. And then hopefully we'll have some time to decorate the Christmas tree later too. Stay. Look at the snow! Stay. So I am just looking for like little baby pine cones. I think it'd be so cute to just put little pine cones throughout this wreath and just like have pretty much all local little plants in it. It's so pretty. That may be the perfect pine cone. I think we can work with this size. I would love to put manzanita in this wreath, but they're a protected species in California, so I will not be touching those. Yay! He's so happy. So I think it's really important to say that if you do plan on going foraging or looking for things in the woods, you should look up, where you're picking those things. You might need a permit. I am not really messing with anything that hasn't already fallen on the ground. Most of my pine I got whenever we got, I'm so out of breath. Most of our pine we got whenever we were already cutting down a Christmas tree. A lot of people leave behind branches and stuff, which you're not supposed to do. So I did the forest a favor. I'm so out of breath. Other things I picked in my backyard. Now I'm just kind of walking and picking up a few pine cones that were already on the ground. I'm in disbelief right now. So I just got done playing Frisbee with Stanley and I went to grab my bag and everything and I can't find my phone and it is snowing so hard. Like, I don't know what to do. I'm like trying to retrace my steps. I'm fucking freezing. So cold. I really hope I find it. I'm gonna be so sad if I can't. I just had to run back to the camper, and after an hour of searching, I found it. Oh my god, I couldn't log into my Apple ID to find my iPhone. I just stepped on it. Oh my god, how fucking lucky am I? It was buried. Buried. Holy shit. I could cry. That was so scary. I cannot buy another iPhone. I just got this. iPhones are expensive. And the weather cleared up, thank God, for a little bit because that was brutal. A fresh layer of snow snowed over top of my iPhone by the time I found it. And then I was on Find My iPhone, not logged into my account so I could see my location. And it kept bopping to a random house. And I'm like, did someone take it? And then it would bop back to where, like, around where it was. But it was in like a 30-foot, maybe, yeah, 30-foot diameter of where it was showing it actually was. It's not spot on, but anyways, I'm going back to the camper. I'm gonna have breakfast because I didn't eat yet. I'm pretty sure Anthony is very far along on the ceiling and I missed that. But at least I have things for my Christmas wreath, and Stanley is very, very well exercised, as am I. Just sprinted like a mile back and forth, probably walked like 5 miles. I was only planning on walking a mile. Wow, babe, you did a nice job. I wish I was here for it. It looks good.
Let's get these doors back on. Wait, I gotta make sure. Yep.
Ooh.
Right.
Wow. Yay.
Giant cookie.
Babe's on cookie duty. What are those? Are those meatballs?
Why
Got him.
do that?
Because I'm a YouTuber. Explain what you're doing right now.
I'm using one battery pack for 2 lights, so I'm wiring this one up. This battery pack.